Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll take a closer look at the earning potential of owning 5 Friesian cows. Whether you're a farmer considering expanding your herd or an agribusiness enthusiast curious about dairy profitability, this overview will offer valuable insights. We'll break down the key factors that influence income, from milk production to market prices, helping you understand what to expect financially. Let's get started on this practical journey into dairy farming economics. The Friesian cow, originally from the Friesland region of the Netherlands, is renowned for its impressive milk production. Characterized by its distinctive black and white markings, this breed is easily recognizable and highly valued in the dairy industry. Friesian cows are known for their gentle temperament and adaptability to various climates. Their ability to produce large quantities of high-quality milk has made them a popular choice for dairy farmers around the globe. Over time, the Friesian has become a symbol of efficient and reliable dairy farming. Friesian cows are renowned for their impressive milk production, with an average yield of around 6,000 to 8,000 liters per lactation cycle. This high output makes them a popular choice among dairy farmers worldwide. The substantial milk yield from each Friesian cow directly contributes to increased overall farm productivity, allowing for greater efficiency and profitability. As a result, farms with Friesian herds often experience higher returns compared to those with less productive breeds. Friesian cows are known for their high milk production, with an average output of about 25 liters per cow each day. For a group of 5 Friesian cows, this results in a total daily yield of approximately 125 liters. Over the course of a typical 30-day month, these 5 cows would produce around 3,750 liters of milk. These figures can vary depending on factors such as diet, health, and management practices, but they provide a realistic estimate for planning purposes. To estimate potential revenue from selling milk produced by 5 cows, it's important to consider both local and global market prices. Locally, milk prices can vary depending on demand, supply, and regional economic factors. Globally, prices are influenced by international trade, production costs, and market trends. By comparing these prices, producers can identify the most profitable markets for their milk. Factoring in the average daily milk yield per cow, the total production from 5 cows can be multiplied by the prevailing market rate to project potential earnings. Raising Friesian cows involves several key expenses that farmers must carefully manage. Feed is typically the largest ongoing cost, as these high-yield dairy cows require a balanced diet to maintain health and productivity. Healthcare expenses include routine veterinary checkups, vaccinations, and treatments for common ailments. Proper housing is also essential, with investments needed for barns, bedding, and maintenance to ensure the cow's comfort and safety. Lastly, labor costs cover the wages of workers responsible for daily care, milking, and general farm operations. Beyond milk production, dairy farming offers several opportunities for additional income. Selling calves can provide a steady source of revenue, especially when managed alongside breeding programs. Manure, often considered a waste product, can be sold as organic fertilizer to local farmers or gardeners. Other dairy byproducts, such as ghee, cheese, or yogurt, may also be processed and marketed to expand earnings. Diversifying income streams helps increase overall farm profitability and resilience. For small-scale dairy farmers managing 5 Friesian cows, net profit potential depends on both income from milk sales and recurring expenses. Friesian cows are known for their high milk yield, which can significantly boost revenue if market prices are favorable. However, expenses such as feed, veterinary care, labor, and maintenance must be carefully managed, as they can quickly reduce overall profitability. After accounting for these costs, many farmers find that while the margins are modest, consistent management and good herd health can lead to a sustainable income. Ultimately, success hinges on balancing production costs with reliable milk sales to achieve a positive net profit. Dairy farming presents several challenges, including fluctuating milk prices, rising feed costs, and the need for effective herd health management. Farmers often face difficulties with labor shortages and maintaining high-quality milk production. To maximize profitability, it's important to invest in efficient feeding strategies, adopt modern milking technologies, and prioritize animal welfare. Regularly monitoring herd health and maintaining accurate records can help identify issues early and reduce losses. Additionally, exploring value-added products or diversifying farm income streams can provide greater financial stability. Across the globe, many farmers have transformed their livelihoods by raising Friesian cows. In Kenya, smallholder farmers have reported significant increases in milk production, allowing them to supply local markets and invest in better farming equipment. In the Netherlands, family-run dairies have adopted sustainable practices, such as rotational grazing and efficient water use, leading to healthier herds and reduced environmental impact. These success stories highlight how Friesian cows can be at the heart of profitable and environmentally responsible dairy businesses. By focusing on animal welfare and innovative farming techniques, these farmers have set inspiring examples for others in the industry. Scaling up farm operations requires careful planning and the adoption of efficient practices. One key strategy is to leverage technology, such as precision agriculture tools, which can help monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and manage resources more effectively. Investing in farm management software streamlines record-keeping and decision-making, allowing for better tracking of yields and expenses. Additionally, automating repetitive tasks with machinery or sensors can free up valuable time and reduce labor costs. By embracing these innovations, farmers can improve productivity and ensure sustainable growth as their operations expand. Friesian cows are renowned for their high milk yield, making them a valuable asset for dairy farmers seeking strong earning potential. To maximize profits, it's essential to focus on proper nutrition, regular health checks, and efficient breeding practices. Investing in quality feed and maintaining clean, comfortable housing can significantly boost milk production. Additionally, keeping detailed records helps farmers track performance and make informed decisions. By combining these smart strategies, dairy farmers can optimize their operations and achieve sustainable growth with Friesian cows. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn with us today. We value your experiences and questions, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Your insights help build a stronger community. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing for more updates and expert advice on agribusiness. Stay tuned for future insights and discussions.